Hi everyone, welcome to today's tip. Let's talk a little bit about emotion today. Every single emotion is attached to a part of our body, and the emotion for our lungs is grief. And many of us have experienced grief in our life, whether it's recent or a long time ago. A lot of times we still hold on to it. Losing a loved one, losing a beloved pet, even losing a relationship, a job, dealing with an illness or whatever you're dealing with. Any types of conflicts can cause all different types of grief. So, as I said, grief is attached to our lung. So, what's going on with the coronavirus is it hurts our lungs. So, we really should be in check with our feelings and seeing if we're holding on to any type of grief, because if we are, that can make us more vulnerable to any type of lung dis-ease or virus out there. So one of the things that I do to help cope, and I do this with my clients as well, is called emotional freedom technique. And that's different types of tapping on different meridian points on our body. And so grief is a thought, is a feeling. And yes, it is a process and we have to honor that process. But if we're holding on to it, it can affect our lungs. So doing things like EFT, that kind of changes a thought pattern in the brain. And it works on our serotonin level as well, which is our happy hormone, our happy hormone. So, just if anyone's interested, I do work with clients. I found that EFT does work best doing it with someone. So find a practitioner if you're interested. There's lots of YouTubes that you can Google and find out more about it. Or maybe during these talks later on, I'll talk a little bit about it. I did just mention the serotonin level, and foods that help with that is eggs, chicken, and seafood, and some nuts and seeds as well. But those are good foods to help keep our serotonin level, normalized. We don't want it too high or too low. We want it to be balanced. And those foods can really help. So that's our tidbit for today. And see what's happening tomorrow. This is Kathryn Morrow telling you nice little informations to help our health. Many blessings. Bye-bye now.